Bybit, derivatives leader with global recognition. Bybit deservedly occupies high positions in global cryptocurrency exchange rankings. The platform has more than 74 million users and operates in 160 countries. Key metrics: consistently ranks second, third position in global exchange rankings. Bybit fees up to 0.2%. Over 700 cryptocurrencies for trading. Verified financial reserves. Headquarters located in Dubai. What makes Bybit special? Derivative specialization. One of the best platforms for futures and options trading. High-speed order execution. Critically important for active trading. Advanced trading tools. Professional charts, indicators, algorithmic trading. Bybit Card. Crypto card for real-world payments. Bybit is especially popular among active traders due to low spreads, high liquidity and advanced tools for margin trading. Don't store money on exchanges. Keep only the amount needed for operational trading, while main fund storage should be done through personal wallets. Don't forget that all exchange links with maximum registration bonuses are in the description. That's all from us. Subscribe to our channel, there will be many more useful crypto videos in a compressed format. See you next time!